Hey, amazing teachers! Let's talk about upgrading one of the most common classroom activities, fill in the blank exercises. While they're great for quick checks, they don't really push students to use the language in meaningful ways. Instead, try this. Give students a sentence stem, but have them finish it with a complete thought. For example, instead of yo blank parentheses comer pizza, change it to yo como pizza porque and let them complete the sentence. This simple tweak gets them thinking about grammar, vocabulary, and even creativity way more than just filling in a blank. Here's another quick win. If you're practicing verbs, write a scenario instead of a sentence. For example, instead of ella blank parentheses ir a la escuela, try describe qué hace Marta por la mañana. Describe what Marta does in the morning. Students can respond with something like Marta va a la escuela a las 8 de la mañana. Marta goes to school at 8 in the morning. This change invites students to think beyond the verb and practice full sentences, connecting their learning to real-life contexts. Bonus tip, it works for speaking, writing, or even group discussions. Want to take this even further? Join us at the Comprehended 2025 conference at mm.us/conference. You'll walk away with actionable tools to engage students and make language learning truly meaningful. Can't wait to see you there.